Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to rearrange or delete pages in PDF. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open PDF. So this is my book PDF. So I just want to rearrange as well as I just want to delete the pages. So I just open this PDF with this Adobe PDF, Acrobat PDF. So if you want to install the software, you can install the software using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It is a free version, so you can use from the internet. So this is the PDF viewer, so you can able to see the PDF. So these are my PDF. So in my right hand side corner, you will find a lot of option over here. So create a PDF, combine PDF, edit PDF, everything will be there. Now I would like to organize the pages over here. So there will be organize pages. Just hit the button, automatically it will move into a box of options. So you should use Adobe Acrobat Pro PC. So you can download from the internet also. Yeah. So now I just want to move or rearrange the pages. For example, so from page number 11 to 14, it should move into second page onwards. So just drag and drop over here, automatically the pages will be moved. 11th page, 12th, 13th, 14 pages will be moved. After that it will be added over here. This is a simple and easiest way. So now I would like to delete some kind of pages, like 16th page I want to delete. Select the page, so you can delete. And do you want to delete this one? Yes, I just want to delete it. It's already gone. So for example, I just want to rotate this page, means you just click here to rotate the page also. So the landscape format also you can make it according to your needs. So now I just want to save this file because this is not saved over here. So just go to file menu and just click here to save. Automatically your PDF is saving now. Yeah. So now I have rearranged the entire thing and I have deleted some kind of files. So now I just want to close this option. Again, I just want to open the PDF. Automatically everything will be added and deleted. Everything will be rearranged with that. So this is a simple and easiest way to rearrange your entire PDF with the delete option. So use Adobe Acrobat DC to delete this kind of options and you can remove. For example, you have a basic Adobe PDF viewers, means you just install the Adobe Pro DC. So it is available in the internet. It is a free software. Use this option to delete this PDF and rearrange the PDF using this kind of option. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.